What's up you guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Kira. Thank you so much for actually clicking on this video. Today I want to show you helpful tools that you can use as a designer. I only hope that these can be sites that can help you in your own design projects, or if you are one of those that just loves working on passion projects like myself, these sites are definitely going to come in handy. So you do want to stick until the end of the video to actually know what all these sites are, and I am going to be time stamping this video, so if you want to skip to whatever part that is suitable for you, you can do so. So without wasting any more time, let us get right into it. Okay, so first things first, we're going to start with Font Brief. This site is a literal game changer. It has various personality options. For instance, if you've chosen like friendly and a different option, it will give me a list of font options to choose from. The circles at the bottom represent the different font styles, from sans or sans serif, workhorse, which is like the most commonly used or preferred fonts, and for free fonts. But I do have to say that some of the fonts, when I clicked the free font option, they were not for free when I went into their foundries, so that was a bit of a bummer. But I mean, there are some free fonts here. It will just need a little bit of more time for you to kind of check it out. When it comes to customization of the fonts, you can click into whichever font you are interested in, and you can just start playing around with the customization options, such as changing the background color to see how the font looks against different colors. You can also change the font color and enlarge it by selecting this toggle over here. Move it from left to right and adjust the size as you wish. My favorite is the option to also customize the home page, and we're going to have to go back into the home page for that one. And you can just see on the right hand side there are also just these different options that you can choose from, and you can just change the background color of the page in that way. So I really like the site if you are just looking, for just amazing fonts that have specific personalities, and you can just choose from whichever site you like. Nappy.com is literally one of my favorite sites as well. So you can just get like product images, stock images that represent the Black community, and the site is just perfect. You can scroll through. So to download the image, all you have to do is to click on the image that you want, and you'll see a few options at the bottom here. You can also save the image, download it, like it, or share it, and you can also see how many views it's had, how many downloads it's had, like just here at the bottom. And then when you want to download it, you would have to then scroll all the way up to this green button over here and then select the size that you would want to download, and that's literally how you do it. The next site that I want to show you is like a Pinterest alternative. Savee.It is a very amazing site. It's also like an alternative to Design for Inspiration if you are familiar with it. There are many things you can do on this site. So you would have to create your own profile, and then when you do scroll down, you'll see like on the bottom right hand side there is like a plus sign that you can click on. This is what you use to save your images. So I'm actually going to just select this over here, this picture over here, and then it automatically goes into your saved area. So to get into that area, you'd have to go to your profile. It automatically goes to that page where you've saved your images or whatever inspiration that you've saved. So similar to Pinterest, you can create boards, follow people, and also see how many people are following you, or maybe you have or you follow. You can also come to this plus sign on the right and choose to either upload from your PC, or you can import or create a new board. This is where you would have to come to create like a new board for your different categories that you've collected. The last thing I want to show you is a fun way to customize this page. So all you have to do is to select this toggle icon here on the top, and then play around with the size of the images by shifting the toggle on the left or the right. And you can also just customize the padding around the images, which I think is so cool because sometimes it kind of feels claustrophobic. So when you have like the padding around, it gives the images a little bit of space to breathe, you know what I mean? So you can also change the mode from dark to light by going back into your profile and then going all the way to mode or to dark mode, and then you can select light or dark if you maybe want the page to be set on dark mode or you like it on light mode. This is where you can change it. Teleprompter online is very helpful if you are someone who struggles to remember your words when recording, or maybe you just want to sound more prepared while recording. So all you do is to copy like whatever pre-written script that you have into this blank space over here. So for me, I do not have a pre-written script right now, so I'm going to go to the Ipsum generator text, which is at www.ipsum.generator. So I'm going to just copy this part of the paragraph and then go back into the teleprompter tool and then just paste it here. Once you've pasted your text, you'd have to actually click on the prompt button, which is down over here, and then immediately when you click that button, it will redirect you to this page where you can now start actually using the teleprompter. All you have to do to actually make it start is to just click this green button on the far left, and then it will record, it will just start. You can then just go through the site. As you can see here on top, there are many options that you can maybe customize just to show you guys, and you can play around with the options over here to select. So for instance, you can change the size of the font. You can actually also change the pace of the teleprompter. If it's maybe moving too slow or it's moving too fast, you can then just adjust the pace over here. You can press this button to stop or to start over. You can also record yourself while using the teleprompter, which is another cool thing about the site. Or you can also do the mirror customization, where there's an AB mirror, so that these words can reflect on the mirror. You can also use this right here, and that's basically it with this site, guys. Like, it's very basic, it's straight to the point, and I just like that it's very helpful. If you are stuck as a designer and you want to build your portfolio, Sharpen is one site that you have to check out. Their new feature is also so perfect if you want to challenge yourself as a designer. This site is suitable if you are like a brand strategist, UI, UX designer, or brand identity designer, and you just really want to challenge yourself, or maybe just make your portfolio a little bit more versatile, as it does generate a whole lot of briefs that you can choose from and continuously return to. Okay, so on this site, you would have to create a profile so that it is easier for you to kind of use and save the options that you kind of generate. And to customize your briefs, you would have to play around with these locks on the left hand side of these promptings. So whatever you've locked stays there, and then you can just press the generate new generation or the generator button here on top to maybe like swap the option that you have unlocked. So it's literally that easy to kind of use it. To see your saved prompts, select the saved options here in the middle, and you can see all your saved options or saved prompts on this page because it redirects you. I like that these stay here forever unless you delete it manually. And to do so, what you have to do is to click on the prompt, click on the left hand side. You'll see that there are actually the menu, 3-dotted menu, and then you can just select delete, and that's literally just how you delete it. Really, there's nothing fancy, just I like that this page is so straight to the point, you know what I mean? And the recent update though on this page is this timer feature, where you can literally just time yourself, right? Like for 15 minutes or 30 minutes. You can also access this timer feature on the home page. You will see it just next to the saved options or saved prompts. It is right there, timer. I really think that this site is an amazing game changer because you can now, you know, like you're constantly challenging yourself as a designer, which I really, really, really love. So yes guys, that is about it, and if you'd like to see more of those videos, just comment that down below. I do hope that they do come in handy in your design journey, but other than that guys, I'll see you in the next video. Bye.